Russell, when I clocked this E-Type, I thought, what an amazing colour, first and foremost.
Yeah, so it's opalescent dark blue. It's the original colour, just as it came out of Jaguar. And we've restored everything we could in the car, everything down to the headlights are the originals, but restored. It's been a long project. I bought it in November 2014. It literally came out of the garage yesterday, finished.
Oh really?
Yeah, yeah.
You've only just finished
This
it?
is his second day on the road.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
The guy that bought this car new, raced here and won the first race. 4 years of restoration, now many years of driving? Yes. You are going to do
Yeah. I didn't trailer it down here.
Good.
No, it's been driven.
Thank you, Russell, for the chat. I'm so glad
Jonny,
I bumped
pleasure.
into you today. I didn't realise quite how important this car was.
No, absolute pleasure.
That's brilliant.
Brilliant.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.